Good afternoon. I uploaded this video 332 just over a week ago, and some people were saying that it's a possibility that this was a lens malfunction, but with all these blue lines coming through, they're actually snowflakes passing the front, and the snowflake is passing between this entity and my camera without distorting, so I can't see how that can be a problem if it was a problem with the lens, it would affect the snowflakes as well. But I've never seen a shape like this, and I couldn't make out what it was. But then I looked at video 236, which is another part of the video. What I've done is slowed them down, given them different names, which it'll all show in the comments. But you see in this part of it now, see this here? That is one of these. This is where they're just starting to form. It was a complete circle with an outer rim like this. Very much like a pancake. It's but I could see in these what looked like cells with something inside them, like with a head. So I thought, what is this all about? It's, so I went onto Google and I tapped in cells, because a lot of these cells on one of the other videos were bumping into each other, exploding and becoming 2 or 3, and with a big explosion it actually 2 became 10. So it seems like they are cells splitting. So I tapped into Google, cells splitting by explosion, and different videos came up. But then, remember this now, with the cells in it. And then I put a video up which it says beating heart cells under a microscope. And look at the shape. And this is a living cell. Listen to it now.
They are heart cells, and several million of them working at once is a heartbeat.
Right. So that is one cell, and it takes millions of them to make a heartbeat. And if we go back a bit now, and that's what it looks like. And see the shape? With all the cells with the heads in it. I'll go back now. That's what came up on mine. And this is it with the cells with the heads in. Well, I find this fascinating. It's as if this is some kind of life form, or life forming in our atmosphere, because this was filmed. I was standing in the road in a snowstorm, filming into an LED streetlight, when this circle formed with all these in it, and then this started happening, which was that. And then I get that. But still, not many people are interested in talking about it. It's You know, if it's something so simple that they're not interested in talking about, perhaps that's it. But I'm fascinated. I want to learn, and I just can't work out what this is all about. So I leave it at that now. Over and out.